After you've finished printing with the Vandercook SP15 proofing press, it's time to clean the ink from the machine. To clean the press, you will need mineral spirits or Citrusolve. Note that neither of these solvents have water in them. Water should never be used on the press as it will cause it to rust. You will also need a used rag, a clean rag, gloves, and a sheet of cardboard. Take a sheet of cardboard and cover the galley to prevent it from being covered in ink during the cleaning process. You will use the cardboard as a work surface to clean the rubber form rollers. Apply mineral spirits or undiluted Citrusolve to the used rag. This rag will be used to clean the bulk of the ink from the press. You may also apply mineral spirits or Citrusolve directly to any of the rulers. Just be cautious and clean up any drips. Begin by wiping down the metal rollers, removing as much ink as possible. Make sure to also wipe any ink that gets into the sides of the rulers. You may turn the press on again to clean the lower motorized roller. It is extremely important to make sure the rag is held tightly and no part of the rag is dangling that could get caught up in the motor. Hold the rag and carefully drag it from one end of the ruler to the other, using the turning of the motor to help get every side of the ruler clean. You do not need to apply much pressure, just enough for the rag to maintain contact with the ruler as it turns. After all three metal rulers have been wiped with the used rag, take the clean rag and apply more solvent. Use the clean rag to wipe each ruler again, using a clean spot on the rag for each round of wiping. When the rag has no ink on it after wiping the cylinders, they're clean. Now, move on to wiping the rubber form rollers. Undo the springs from the side of the press that hold the back ruler in place. Lift straight up on the ruler and remove it. Set it on the cardboard. Carefully pour some mineral spirits or Citrusolve onto the ruler and also onto the used rag. Wipe the ruler until the ink has been removed. The ruler should be close to the original blue color of the rubber. Now, put the rulers back into position, making sure the one with the gear is in the back. With the clean rag and some solvent, give both rulers another wipe. No ink should appear on the rag if the rulers are clean. If there is still ink on the rulers, leave them in place, turn them, and continue wiping them until they are clean. Put the cardboard away and make sure no ink has transferred to the galley or any other part of the press during the cleaning process. Finally, position the metal cylinders so they are not resting on the rubber form rollers. Pressure on the form rollers can leave an indentation which will stop them from printing evenly. Throw the used rag in the hazardous materials container and place the other rag in the cabinet to be used next time the press is cleaned. Now that the press is clean, make sure to wash your hands.